Hello, today we are going to be making delicious Ghanaian Shito or black chili sauce. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So here I have some onions. I'm using white onions. You can use any onions of your choice. And I'm just going to be cutting these onions into smaller chunks. And then after that, I have also some ginger, which I will be cutting also. So for this recipe, you need your onion, ginger, garlic, and some pepper. So here I just added a little bit of shallot and also garlic. And then I have my dry pepper, which I washed thoroughly before adding to it. So I'm just going to be blending all together. So this is it. I'm done blending. And then here you'll be needing some shrimps, dry shrimps, and some dry fish. This is Keta schoolboys. So I'm just going to be grinding this also separately. And as you can see, I'm done grinding. And this is the fish. And this is the shrimps. You can also use shrimps powder or fish powder if you have that. And then you'll be needing some tomato paste. So in your saucepan, you need to add a reasonable amount of oil because preparing this sauce, you need a lot of oil. And then let the oil heat and then add in your blended ingredients. So this is the onion, ginger, garlic, and the pepper. So you can also use pepper powder if you have it, but I always prefer using the dry pepper and then blend it myself. So you're just going to be frying this slowly, let it cook slowly on a medium heat because shito is super easily to get burnt and you don't want your shito to be burnt, so you just keep on stirring and allow it to cook slowly on a medium heat. So after some time, this was frying for about 30 minutes and I went ahead to add in the tomato paste. And then you keep on stirring. The moment you add your tomato paste, you need to be very careful because tomato paste, as you know, is easily to get burnt. So just keep on stirring all the time and make sure it doesn't get burnt and let it cook on a medium heat. So you can see the water is almost dry out and you can see the color of the sauce is changing. And now I'm just going to add my powder, that is the fish powder. I add a little bit because I don't want to add too much. And then I stir all together, then I add a little bit more. So you just add to your taste. And then after that, I will add in my shrimp powder also. You just add to your taste. Add the quantity, the amount that you prefer, and it's okay. And then you keep on stirring and make sure all is well combined, all is well mixed. But make sure you be doing this on a low heat or medium heat, depending how the way you want it. And then here I add my seasoning stock cube. This is shrimp seasoning stock cube. And then mix all together. So at this point, I tested for salt and I added salt to it. You add salt also according to your taste. Mix all together, stir, and then let it continue to cook. And then I just season it with some black pepper and that's it. You can add in more spices or any other thing you prefer, but this is just perfect for me. And oh my goodness, I wish you guys are in this kitchen. The aroma, everything is super nice. And you can see the shito is ready, and you can serve this with your wache, with gari, with yam, boiled yam, fried yam. This practically you can eat this with anything. anything. Your kenke with fish, your banku with fish. Oh my goodness. This is super. I hope you guys find this helpful, and I'll be seeing you all in my next one. Bye.